Press and hold the power button to turn on the fan. It will start at the minimum speed. Slide the rotary slider toward the plus direction to increase the speed continuously. Slide the rotary slider toward the minus direction to decrease the speed continuously. Press the power button short press or long press to turn off the fan. Accessories can be attached to both ends of the fan, allowing it to be used as either a blower or a vacuum. Rotate clockwise to install the short suction nozzle. Rotate clockwise to install the long suction nozzle. Place the filter into the vacuum cup. Tighten the vacuum cup cover by turning clockwise. Connect the dust suction pipe to the vacuum cup. Rotate clockwise to connect the vacuum cleaner to the fan body. You can also connect the hairbrush suction nozzle to the dust suction pipe.